Good day, sir. I am Kimchi Kalamuhay and I am part of Group 10. Our topic is all about oligopoly. So by the end of this section, I will be able to explain why and how oligopolies exist and contrast collusion and competition. So let us define first kung unsa si oligopoly. So according to my research, oligopoly is a market structure that exists when there are only small number of firms operating, usually 2 to 10 sellers in a market selling homogeneous or differentiate product. So matawag siya oligopoly ang mga monopoly producer o monopoly business if sa usa ka current place or sa usa ka lugar na ay 2 to 10 nga mga business nga nagbaligya sa same product. For example, ana is mga gasoline station and like Jollibee and McDo. Matawag sila oligopoly even though nga sila is part sa monopolistic company. So why oligopoly exists? According to Microsoft Bing, oligopolies are markets that are dominated by small number of firms. This firm has high barrier to entry and strategically choose output, pricing, and other decision based on the decision of the other firm in a market. So sa oligopoly, if ang isa ka business owner or ang isa ka company is naay decision nga gihimo, dapat makabalo ang other company nga kauban nila. So naay gitawag na interdependence kung sila is part sa oligopoly. Dapat magkasinabot sila kung patasan nila ang price, dapat pareha ang ilang price. Kung pila ra dapat ang ilang produce na product, so that nga ang mga other company nga part sa oligopolies or sa ilang part sa ilang grupo is makabalo. So let's talk about collusion or competition. So collusion versus cartel, and how can I tell which is which? When oligopoly firm in a certain market decide what quantity to produce and what price to charge, they face a temptation to act as if they were a monopoly. By acting together, oligopolistic firm can hold down industry output, charge higher price, and divide up to the profit among themselves. So when firms act together in this way to reduce output and keep price high, it is called collusion. A group of firms that have a formal agreement to collude to produce the monopoly output and sell at the monopoly price is called cartel. So that is the difference between collusion and cartel. So let's define what is cartel. A cartel is a group of companies, organization that comes together to control the production, pricing, and distribution of particular product or services. So ang cartel, usa na siya ka group sa company kung na nag-organize na panag-uban na sila ang mag-control sa production, sa presyo sa ka product, ug sila ang naga-distribute sa particular nga product nga ilahang gihimo ug sa mga services. And let us define what is collusion. A collusion as illegal and secret agreement between two or more companies to deceive, manipulate, or defraud other in the market. So unlike sa cartel, which are formal and legal agreement, ang collusion is an informal agreement that is usually made through secret meeting or communication. So lahi ra si cartel o si collusion. Kay si collusion daw can take many forms such as price fixing, kaning big ringing, market allocation, then and customer allocation. Ang collusion is illegal. So under siya sa antitrust law, tungod kay nakaharm siya sa mga competition sa customers by reducing output and rising price. So that is our discussion for this day. Thank you, sir, for listening.